Welcome back my dear students to your mathematics class with your ma'am Ashu Sharma, and we are doing arithmetic progression and we have started 5.2 exercise. In the previous video I explained you 5.2 question number 1 about the term formula which you can see on the screen. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let's do the next question. Before doing the next question, do like, comment and share the video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel also. So let's start question number 2 of 5.2 exercise. Question number 2 is choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So this can become for 1 mark, and the first question is also meant for 1 mark. 4 options are given to you in the question and you have to select the correct one. The 30th term of the AP is given to us means we have to find out the 30th term. So let us see how to do this question. So dear students, to find 30th term, we need to write the formula for 30th term. A30. I told you if it is S is not there, singular word is there, that means it is an. And what is an? A30th means 30th term. So what is the formula for A30th? You can write the formula directly also, A plus 29D, or दूसरा method by using the formula A plus n minus 1D. A plus n minus 1. What is n? If I'll compare it, what is n? 30. 30 minus 1 into D. Like this, an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. तो हम ये टर्म का डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी लिख सकते हैं, a plus 29d, और by using this formula also we can write. So to find out 30th term, dear students, we need a means the first term and d, that is the common difference. So before doing this, let us get a. So in the AP the first term is 10, so a is 10, and to find out d, you know the formula a2 minus a1, that is a2 is 7 minus a1, that is 10. So plus minus is minus, greater number is negative, so we'll take minus. 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is D. Now let us find out A30th. A30, the formula is a plus 29d. Directly we can use it. So what is A? A is 10 plus 29 into D. Into D is minus 3, but as you know, two signs can't be written together. For that we need to put it in the bracket. So now 10, again before addition, multiplication should be done according to BODMAS. So plus minus minus, 29 threes are 50, 29 threes are, let us see, 87. So this, and now again plus minus minus, so 87 minus 10 is 77, but negative sign, greater number is having negative, so answer is negative. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? C option is correct. But see, if you will write plus 77, your question becomes wrong. Now similarly, second part is there, try it. Find the 11th term of the AP. AP is given to you, so let us find out it. So again, dear students, to find out any term we need to have A and D. So A is the first term, that is minus 3, and to get D is A2 minus A1 भी लिख सकते हैं या A3 minus A2. It will be common because it is an AP. So A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2. Be very careful about the sign. Now minus for the formula. Now A1 is again minus 3. So it will be calculated as minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 3. Now this is the fraction. Solve it by taking the LCM. 2 kitnes are 2? 1. 1 ones are 1. Plus nothing is there. Take 1. 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5 by 2. This is D. Right? Now A11 term we need to find out. So what is A11? A plus n minus 1 means 11 minus 1, 10D. So put the values. A is minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. Now it is plus 5 by 2. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम, 2 5s are 10, so -3 plus 25, so the value is 22. So the correct option is A11 is equal to 22. So I hope it is clear to you. Now dear students, question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. So APs are given to you, but few terms are missing. So how to find out that? So dear students, first of all, mark the AP, mark their terms. This is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. Very first step is mark the terms. Now whatever is given to you, write down that. ठीक है, we need to find out A2. तो A2 बाद में करेंगे सॉल्व, A plus 1D, that is this. We need A and D for this. तो to get A and D, before solving for the missing term, dear students, पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जो terms given है हम उनका use करेंगे. The terms which are given to us, we will use them first. ये आपको दिमाग में रख लेनी है टिप, जो given है हमेशा उससे start करना है. First term is given, that is A is given as 2. Now third term is given as A3 हमें दे रखा है 26. So first of all we will use its formula. A3 का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, A plus 2D. हम इसका फॉर्मूला पुट कर देंगे, is equal to 26. Now A we can use from the first term, यहाँ से वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे 2 plus 2D. So in this way, by using the given terms, we will be able to find out A and D. So 2D is equal to 26 minus 2, that is 24, and D is equal to 24 divided by 2, that is D is 12. So once you get A and D, you will be able to find out the missing term. So for this question, dear students, just keep in mind कि हमें starting किससे करनी है, जो given terms है. Given terms के formula से we will be able to get A and D, and after that we can find out the missing term. Now missing term is A2, its formula is A plus 1D. So now we have A as 2 and D as 12, so A2 will be 14. So very easy. So what I told you to listen, first step क्या करना है, step 1 में solve the given terms to get A and D. A और D निकालने के लिए this is the first step. Then second step will be find the missing term. Then find the missing term. ठीक है? So remember these two steps and write down these 2 points in a box in your notebook, and ऊपर लिख लेंगे note points. This is a note which you have to remember. Write down in the form of cloud. Solve the given terms to get A and D. First step करना है, solve the given terms जो given है to get A and D. Automatically you will get A and D. After that you can solve any of the missing term. So let's see the second part now. So dear students, before following the steps, let us mark the points A1, A2, A3, A4. From here we can see कि हमें given कौन से terms हैं. तो we will follow the first step. Given कौन सी है, A2 and A4. So we will write A2 is equal to 13. पहले इसे solve कर लेते हैं, फिर second given term को solve करेंगे. A2 का formula क्या होता है, A plus 1D is equal to 13. Now we do not have A क्योंकि first term नहीं given है, ना ही हमारे पास D है. So this will be our first equation. ठीक है. Now what is the another given term? वो है हमारे पास A4. We can see is equal to 3. तो हमें क्या करना है, A4 का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, A plus 3D is equal to 3. So again now A is not there, D is not there, we can't solve it further, we'll mark it as equation 2. अब आपने ऐसे इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करना सीखा है इन योर थर्ड चैप्टर बाय एलिमिनेशन मैथड. बाय एलिमिनेशन मैथड मीन्स इन प्लेस ऑफ x and y वी हैव A and D, वी विल सॉल्व दीज टू इक्वेशंस. तो क्या था वो मैथड, Let us first write down the first equation. A plus 1d is equal to 13 and the second equation a plus 3d is equal to 3. और उसके बाद हमें कोफिशिएंट देखने होते हैं, जिसका कोफिशिएंट सेम है उसे हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. हियर द कोफिशिएंट इज़ 1, हियर द कोफिशिएंट, बट बोथ आर पॉजिटिव, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? सब्ट्रैक्ट. चेंज द साइन. दिस इज प्लस बिकम माइनस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस. सो वी कैन कैंसिल इट आउट. सो 1d माइनस 3d, 1 में से 3 माइनस करेंगे तो माइनस 2d एंड 13 माइनस 3 इज 10. नाउ इट इज मल्टीप्लाइंग, व्हेन इट गोज टू अदर साइड इट विल गेट डिवाइडेड साइन के साथ. अब यहाँ बच्चे क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं? -2 को यहाँ +2 लिख देते हैं ले जाके, बट यू हैव टू चेक द साइन इन बिटवीन द टू थिंग्स ऑल्सो. सो नाउ d इज इक्वल टू 2 5s are 10, so -5. So by elimination method you will be able to get one variable. Now as you know, to get the another variable that is a, just put the value of d in either in first equation or in second. So put d is equal to -5 in, let us put it in first equation. So first equation is this, a plus 1d is equal to 13. So a plus 1d को हम d भी लिख सकते हैं, d is -5 is equal to 13. A plus minus minus 5 is 13. A is equal to 13 plus 5. So A is equal to 18. So dear students, this will be your first step. That means use the given terms. हमेशा given terms use करनी है पहले to get A and D. Now we will be able to solve the missing terms. तो इस पूरी एक्सरसाइज में, इस पूरे चैप्टर में याद रखना है कि हमेशा स्टार्टिंग जो बिगिनिंग है वो हमेशा गिवन टर्म से करनी है. नाउ लेट अस सी. नाउ फर्स्ट टर्म हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होती है? ए, दैट वी हैव नाउ 18. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट मिसिंग टर्म. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट a3 नाउ. तो a3 क्या आ जाएगा? a प्लस 2d. जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज. a इज 18 प्लस 2, d is -5, so put it in the bracket. 18 plus minus minus 2 5s are 10. So 18 minus 10 is 8. So in this way now you will be able to get the missing terms. So dear students, try the remaining parts of this question yourself and by keeping the things in your mind जो मैंने आपको points tips बताई हैं कि first of all use the given terms. Now a1 is given to us and a4 is given to us. तो पहले इन्हें यूज़ करके you will get a and d. Then find out a2, a3. Similarly, try next equations. We will discuss them in my next video. So thank you my dear students. If you like my videos, do comment and share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.